You watched me fall and you didn't think to tell me. And stop. Oh, you know what? Shut. Stop trying humping Natalie. And now
No.
you're like, try to hump you. Okay. You know what?
No.
No. Why are you just grabbing onto Natalie like that? Or. Oh, it's Link. I didn't think Link would join the call. Natalie, you missed what?
Can you hear that in the background?
What?
What?
Why? Never mind. Shut up. Go. You shut up.
I'm gonna be the one. Not EJ.
Whoa. What? Why can't I control the engine?
What if I just turn off the generator? How would you feel,
Yeah,
Natalie?
that's why I'm
You'll
controlling the
be
generator.
very angry and you won't be driving with us anymore.
Okay.
Go right.
Really blow up. How funny do you think that would be?
We got this, guys.
Okay.
If I just jumped and pushed the train over.
Why would you do that?
Entertainment.
It wouldn't be entertainment. It would be annoying.
Me.
What are you guys playing?
And I get
I
very
don't-
angry.
Answer that question.
Oh, we're going a bit fast.
No, what? Natalie,
At everyone, please do not announce to the server when you
Whoa,
are going
whoa,
to go
whoa, whoa.
masturbate. This has been a reoccurring issue, and I'm
What
not
is
sure.
happening?
Get your brain, see your mic.
What? Oh.
Cut that. Cut that.
Wait, when did I get nitro?
Uh, I'm scared.
You dropped in the car. It is gone. Who left in room one? Oh, it
Why
was
does he keep leaving?
I just won nitro.
Oh, that's cool.
Got that right. So cool.
Run us off the tracks.
EJ's driving scared. He just left you, Natalie. Oh no.
Oh my gosh! Do not leave me here with him. Do not leave me here with him.
You better hurry up. You better hurry up. You better hurry
Come
up.
back. Come back.
You better hurry up. Stop being slow.
Too long, because if he comes over here and nukes us, it's gonna be your fault.
No,
Exactly.
it's not. It wouldn't be my fault.
It will definitely would be your fault.
It would not.
Who wants to
I
drive?
just saw him fly. What? I'm scared. What if he's gonna come for us? I'm scared.
That'd be funny.
He's gonna come for Natalie. He's gonna go. Is there another hacker, or is that the do?
There's
Did this
multiple actors, by the way. Did you not know that? There is somebody with yellow hair as well. Who has just been standing on that ramp, blowing up whoever gets there. As you can see from the imminent explosions to our left, somebody's up there just killing other people or cars.
Weird.
Going around blowing up cars.
I have a feeling we're gonna die.
I don't know what you're talking about. I
Look,
personally have faith
just
that we will
because
not die.
doesn't mean yours are better.
What?
Just because my driving skills are bad doesn't mean yours are better.
I was not talking about your driving skills.
But
I was just saying that there's another hacker. What? Why are there so many hackers in this?
why? What the freak?
How was he just flying across the map? I'm
You
speechless.
don't know there's a flying potion in this game, right?
There is?
Yeah.
I mean Discord messages. If Link ever send something in the server, and it's like a link to something, don't click it.
Okay.
It's a IP grabber.
Oh.
Why would he want Why would you want our ID?
He just likes to take
It's a bit weird.
We're gonna fall off the tracks. Or not.
I'm surprised we haven't fallen yet. Why does this dude have a gun? Why
So
does
far,
he?
one person has gotten to the end, so. Wait,
There's a car right there.
Car, I think we gotta go back. Hey guys, I think we're cooked. Guys.
You gotta go backwards faster.
We're
Go
dead.
faster. Go faster. Go faster.
Guys,
Oh my god.
No,
Uh-oh.
he's
The way I was
no.
gonna walk right into him.
You're stupid. That's why.
Oh my god. I swear that only happens when I drive.
That sucks. I always fall off. That's what happens when I drive. The two cars over here. Yeah, those are mine. Yeah.
Yeah, I was there when I did them.
My question is how.
You know what's sad? I got to the end, not to the end, the last stretch, and a car who was being chased by the police came down the same railing as me and shot me until I died. You and Allie?
But
No.
Fuck you.
you do that. What was the point of that?
Exactly. Maybe
You
we
baby.
should let Natalie drive.
You think I'm in the back.
I'm not driving.
We'll drive then.
You stupid dick.
What?
Huh?
Did you just say you suck dick?
What?
What did you say?
I said you stupid nig.
Oh, I thought you said you suck dick.
No.
Like we knew you did, but
Okay, Natalie. What that
You. And the whole map is blowing up now. Like, good job. Your lying is gonna get us killed.
Natalie.
No, no, no,
Nat-
no. All about saying it.
Natalie.
No, my bad. I didn't mean to do that.
My bad, folks. I didn't mean to jump out the cart.
Oh, somebody's behind us.
You better go faster, bro. What if they kill us?
Wouldn't that
They
be fun?
won't.
Natalie.
Oh my god. My voice spiked so loud it didn't get picked up on the mic. That's actually insane.
Wait, I can just go air cart. Hold on.
What?
Yeah. I'm in the cart now. Never
Oh my,
mind.
oh my god. It's Paisley.
Get out, get out,
Oh,
get
my
out,
bad.
get out.
Paisley, you should join us. So far, there have been one hack and somebody who's being like, never mind, they both left.
Actually,
I think
I
there's
did not mean to.
Natalie, I think there's a
Run.
bomb. It's green and it's on fire.
Never mind.
It's good. Oh,
There's
never mind.
still a hacker. There's a
I was
hacker spawning
ready.
cars.
What?
There's a hacker
I died.
spawning cars on the railings.
Natalie, I'm not dumb. I saw that. I told you there was a bomb on the cart and you didn't listen.
It seems kind of deaf like that, honestly. So
I didn't look suspicious. I mean, like,
If I join, I can't talk. I'll just have to be like on the call and communicate through chat.
then don't drive.
Hold on, I gotta go AFK, guys.
What the hell?
Why did that?
did not see
Why that-
anything.
Nope. Nah, bro. Valentina was doing the same thing to Natalie.
Oh.
What? Doing what?
When you were waiting for when you were from the phone, Valentina was literally humping you and reverse humping you.
Oh.
Valentina, what do you have to say for yourself?
And I caught it all on recording.
Can you send me that recording?
Do you want me to end this recording and then restart the recording again just to send you the recording?
No, but like after you're done recording.
Alright, well, whenever we all decide to leave the call,
Oh, yeah.
then I'll stop recording and I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Explain to me why somebody would join the call and then just start playing their soundboard.
That was me.
I know it was Link, but alright, never mind. I knew he'd do something like that, but not this early. Wobble wobble.
You're Andy.
What the freak?
Wobble wobble.
And you waddle away, you waddle waddle.
It's funny because only Natalie's tilting. Only Natalie is tilting.
Hmm.
We're waiting for Valentina.
I think so.
Natalie, blow her up.
Second. Come here.
I might just pause the recording and then wait for Valentina to come back. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pause the recording.